Beginning and tell people what this product is.
Well, this is a product based for the first time out of the source of aging, which is the gene. This is the gene technology. For the first time, Stanford and Harvard and Purdue universities, that's where most of our research is being done. And we also have about 115 scientists in our own company that are doing this research. So essentially, we can do the analysis of this gene chip, and we can now reset those genes, as it were. In other words, we are growing old, and our genes have what is called a different expression. The genes are getting a little old, but now we can reset that genes back to the youthful stage.
And
most recently, we have identified and entered into a partnership with LifeGen Technologies to win this war against aging. We partner with LifeGen Technologies because this is a company that was founded by two of the foremost scientists in age research. Professor Weindrich and Professor Tom Proller, they both have spent close to 30 years combined in understanding the genetic basis of aging. Professor Weindrich and Proller's work has been cited time and time again by other well-known scientists who use their work to conduct new studies in aging.
LifeGen was started based on our base initial patent, which is a method to measure the aging process using gene expression profiles. As a result of our technology, we have identified a very critical set of genes, which we call aging supermarkers.
We now have tools which can tell us which particular ways that cells work are affected by the dietary intervention that we are examining.
Together, these discoveries allow us to develop a process or a method to locate and identify age-related genes very quickly and very accurately.
We can examine the entire genome at once. That allows us to tell for each particular tissue, for example, the heart, the brain, muscle, which particular pattern of genes leads to aging or modulates the aging process. So it allows us to get a global view that you cannot get by focusing on single genes. Other companies may focus on one gene, one pathway, and how a single compound impacts that pathway. With our technology, we can measure how combinations of nutrients impact several pathways related to aging at the same time. So this is an enormous advantage in our ability to monitor the aging process and to design intervention.
We are now able to define and to develop products that can address the sources of aging.
This is providing an opportunity to really translate our basic research findings into improved human health.
And you ready for ageLOC? Yes! I've never been more excited than I am today with ageLOC. This is really cool, dude. This is because with ageLOC science, we can target the genes that are responsible for aging. You are, and you will be the first to benefit from all the amazing and revolutionary discoveries that will emanate from ageLOC. First, we can target the sources of aging. We are looking at not just a single gene, but functional groups of genes that influence aging. The power of ageLOC also lies in the fact that we have proprietary technologies to measure the progression of the aging process at the molecular level in individual organs. Third, and most importantly, we can reset the gene clusters at a level that maintains them at a younger and healthier age. Okay? So simply put, we know what to do, we know how to do it, and we can do it. We are breaking new ground, not just in defining a new approach to anti-aging, but also how we can fundamentally attack aging at its source. This is a game-changing concept. In fact, with ageLOC, we believe we can dominate the anti-aging market. It's game over for the competition. These Stanford researchers and scientists are going to study other aspects of skin aging. And they have already seen reversal of aging by genetic intervention applied very late in life. What this means is that ageLOC science now includes another key insight, that the ability to actually reverse the signs of aging is possible. As I said, game over.